Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery above 20%, Wi-Fi ready, and the Apple ID credentials you used. Once done, use another iPhone, iPad, or iCloud. COM to initiate remote erase. This is how you avoid a computer. Open Find My on the other device or sign into iCloud, select your disabled iPad, and choose Erase iPad. This removes the passcode. Make sure to keep the iPad connected to the internet. Once you trigger Erase iPad, the server queues the command. You'll see status updates in Find My. You should understand why. Erasing removes the passcode and any data, then prepares the iPad for setup. If activation lock appears after erase, you must sign in with the same Apple ID to activate. This is a security step to prevent misuse. Make sure to monitor progress. If the iPad is offline, the erase runs as soon as it reconnects, so patience matters. When the erase finishes, you'll walk through setup. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup if you have one, otherwise setup is new. You need the original Apple ID and password to bypass activation lock. That's why credentials were required up front. If the erase never completes, check that the iPad is online, try a different Wi-Fi network, or reboot the router. If commands still fail, use recovery mode with a computer as a fallback, but only after exhausting network solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.